Today lesson number 2. I'm going to teach about the coming solar eclipse, how to see, where to see, and what time. And then I will explain about deep sky objects with the labels like starting from M1 to M10. And then to see that what kind of binoculars you need, I will give some idea. Okay, so from this we can go. I will tell you what is M1 is called Mesa number 1. Mesa George Mesa. His name is George Mesa. He found the deep sky objects long time back and labeled like one that means M1 up to M110. Then later the deep sky object labeled by NGC numbers. Okay, and when I talk about M1 to M110, most of them in the northern hemisphere. Okay, because those days when he found, he may be in, I think he's from Europe. So from there, when you look at through the telescope, he cannot see the objects in southern hemispheres that we already talked about in the first lesson. That may be the reasons he limited to up to M110. But later, scientists or whatever, or astronomers, they gave the new symbol called NGC numbers. That one will help to identify southern hemisphere also. Okay, I will give some example through the stellarium. So from there you can go. Thank you, and we will see the exhibition. Okay, thank you. Bye. See this map that I mean software stellarium. You see that today planet position. Today is the October 3rd. My Chicago time is 11:31 morning. Okay, you can see this sun, and above that Mercury. Here is Mercury, and then this is a Mars, and then Spica star. Spica star is in Virgo. This is Virgo constellation. You can see the Virgo, and so you can get a picture of today. Okay, today this is what it is. So what I'm going to tell now, the first part is how to see the solar eclipse. Okay, I'm going to keep this one as a center, and it is coming on. It is coming on October 14th morning. Okay, and I will make a simulation. You can see now this what exactly you are going to see from North America, and some other part also. You can look at in the website what are the countries you can see. This one only partial eclipse. The next one coming in April, that's going to be a total eclipse. Okay, and so I'm going to put that date. Okay, I'm going to zoom it. To, okay, this is sun, right? This is sun, right? See the sunspot you can see here. See the sunspot here? Okay. Now, see today 10, okay? I am going to, that is on, this is October, okay, the 3rd, right? I'm going to go 14th. I have to bring to center every time. Okay. Okay, here. This is time, actually this 11 o'clock, there will be a eclipse. If you look at now, see here already there. Okay, here. I will move this one here. See this one? Eclipse, okay? When it's starting, let us see, from Chicago, I'm going to see when it's going to start, when it's ending. Wow. Okay. I'm going to zoom it and then let us see. Okay, here. Yeah, okay, here. We'll now zoom it. Okay, here. See, it's now, I just went back 1 hour. So now we can move a minute, okay? Okay. About Chicago time, about 10 hour 39 minutes, it's going to start, and then from there it just keep on going, partial eclipse, okay? Okay, here I'm going to go next hour. Okay, next hour. Let us see. That's maybe the maximum where it is. Okay, here it is. Okay. Okay, this is 11:53. Maybe this is one better. Okay, this will be there. Okay, and then so this will be that at 11 o'clock 7 minutes. Let us see when it is ending. Ending time 1 hour from now, forward 1 hour from now. Okay, see here it's going to end soon. This is going to end like okay now. Okay, almost. Okay. See, like 1 o'clock 20 minutes. So it's going to end. All right. This is a one lesson. So you can watch from North America. Anybody from North America, you can watch. I don't know about South America. I think may probably. So I have to look at, you can look at from website visible area. All right. Okay. So India, it's not visible because India night time. This is the way it works. Okay. If anything seen in North America, in India we cannot see because any eclipse, like even lunar eclipse also. In India, if it's seen, that's night time. Here is daytime, so we cannot see like this. So I'm going to close this one. So this is one of the lesson. All right, now next lesson. I'm going to talk about what we are talking about, like M series, right? M series here. Okay, here let us see. Last time we saw, I showed you that is what is that called? Orion Nebula, right? Orion Nebula, yeah. Orion Nebula here. Orion, we will call the same thing. Okay, here I am going to zoom it. Orion Nebula. See this Orion Nebula, right? Orion Nebula here. So Orion Nebula is number M M42. Okay, Orion Nebula M42. Okay, so how do you see this? The number M series number is not there. Let me see that label. Okay, here DSO M is there. I marked M NGC, but okay, let us see. Okay, here we can move a little bit, and so to make it visible, and it's still not though. It's not shown M. All right. Okay. Usually it will show what is the M. Here, see here. Here, see that one. See NGC. See here. NGC 2149. So to see what it is, you just click it and zoom it. You will see what kind of objects. No, it's not very good. So there are some numbers. Okay. Okay, here let us see what is this small one. This is a NGC 2110. What is this actually? Oh, this is small spiral galaxy. Okay, here you can see here. Let us see what is this. Okay, this is a NGC 2215, but if you zoom it, nothing coming. It's only one star behind it. Okay, that may be the number given. So okay, we'll go double clusters. Okay, double clusters. Okay, here I want to show why it is not coming. Usually it shows number. Okay. Okay, let us see. I want to see M13. M13 I can show. Ramasami. This is Ogden. That's southern hemisphere. This is an Ogden. Okay, this is a southern hemisphere, and Sirius star. Okay, Sirius star. Okay, here it is something. It's not showing. So I'm looking some clusters, All right. Okay. Okay, I'm going to stop it and I will get back. Okay. Yeah, here what you are seeing is Mesa Catalog. So you can see that Mesa Deep Sky Objects. His name is Charles Mesa. You can see here. So it is somewhere published by 1700. He lived up to 1817. He's from France. So this is what it is. So here, if you look at here, and that I will just to give some idea, and see that M1 Grab Nebula, and where it is located, Taurus. M2 globular cluster, Aquarius. M3 globular clusters, Venus. So if you want to see each one, just click that. Okay, see, this is given here, all the names given here. All right, so if you click here, for example, you see that 42 here, 42 Orion Nebula, and Orion constellation. So if you want to see, just click that, and it is given the pictures of that. This is what it is. So when you see through the telescope, you won't see this colored image. It is a processed one. You will see black and white, but this is what you can see. And here it is given history where it is, like he found in 1976, also known as Orion Nebula. So it's called a diffuse nebula located like that, okay? So the type is given, everything given, NGC number also given for that. And you can see viewing naked eye, you can see by naked eye, and binoculars very good, you can see the information given. So like this, if you put any number, and you will get okay, if you get for example, I will show one more thing. Number 13, see the 13 is a globular cluster, okay, globular cluster. Here it is, see here it is given here, is also known as Hercules clusters in the constellation Hercules. So globular cluster located in the constellation Hercules is given here. So like this. Okay, one more thing I want to show you here. See here, here what it is. See the second line, I mean the second whatever, column, first M number name, and the next one magnitude, MAG, right? It's a magnitude is 8.4, 6.5. It's like this, keep on going, okay? So what does it mean? The higher number you won't see by naked eye. 8.4 M1 is not visible by naked eye. We can see by naked eye up to 5 magnitude. The higher number is not visible. The lower number better. For example, M6 here, butterfly clusters in Scorpius, magnitude 4.2, and M7 3.3. So like this, these two we can see by M7. I will click this one, M7. This is the one, M7. You can see this one by naked eye in a very dark side. There's no light, okay? And then binoculars looks beautiful. So I have seen many times in the dark side these things, and so this is what I want to teach in this lesson. And the next topic is about binoculars, what you can buy with a reasonable low cost. Okay, thank you, bye. Here's the one example for the binoculars. See, this is made by Vertex Optics. See here, you can see this one, Vertex Optics. It says Vertex Optics Trump HD high density, 10x42 fully multi-coated waterproof binoculars for $99. This is only I'm giving example. You don't have to buy this, or you can shop around. But what I am trying to tell you, normally buy 10x50. Okay, 10x50. That is a normal size of the binoculars. What is a 10? What is a 50? Here it shows 10x42. 10 means magnification, 10x. Okay, 10 times magnification. 42 means millimeter, 42 millimeter. That the lens diameter is 42 millimeter. Okay, the next things for the astronomy purpose, you have to buy fully multi-coated binoculars. Okay, fully multi-coated. I am repeating, fully multi-coated. If you buy, okay, there are binoculars available, multi-coated, fully coated, fully multi-coated. Okay, if you buy low grade, either fully coated or multi-coated, that is not good for astronomy purpose. So you have to buy fully multi-coated. The price changes, like these are all. Vertex is a very known company, Celestron known company. The price changes. Even Nikon makes a good binoculars also, Japan company, Nikon, right? But here, when you buy, look for like Amazon or eBay, 10 by 42 or 10 by 50. Okay, 10 by 50 is usually a lot of people buy that. So recently I bought one like that. It is 12 by 50 for $39 on Amazon.com, and so you have to shop around. The price varies with company to company. A lot of Chinese made available and no good brand, but as long as it's fully multi-coated and the size you need is okay. With this you can see many objects. If you look at in the internet binoculars, deep sky objects, it will make you a list, and from there you can choose what are the number, M1, M2, whatever, and you can look, provided dark sight is needed. Okay, is for example Chennai. Whenever I go to Chennai, if I go to top floor, open terrace of any building where I stay, and I try to see through binoculars, I don't see anything except some bright stars or planets. But in my hometown, for example, Tanjavur, my brother living there, I used to go there, and from his terrace, I saw sky so beautiful, okay, with the binoculars. So this is what I am trying to tell you. So this will help you to select binoculars. And the next lessons, maybe I will talk about telescope. Okay. See you. Bye. Thank you.